Hey everybody, my name is Bjørn Jensen and I am a former PhD student at Purdue Research Center for Open Digital Innovation, or as you're going to call it, Purdue RCODI. Purdue Research Center for Open Digital Innovation is probably one of the most innovative little centers here on campus. It intersects with pretty much every research field you could imagine: engineering, chemistry, computer science, communication, organizational science, organizational behavior, psychology, sociology, you name it, we have a niche here. So for me, as a communications scholar, I came in and thought about what does it require to be at Purdue RCODI. But the truth is the field is so brand new that we're actually looking at all types of intersects for students, whether you're a visiting scholar, a master's student, or a PhD. It is an awesome opportunity to come in and learn a little more about the business of open innovation and the field itself. My specific deliverables and what it taught me was that I could create specific and groundbreaking theories of open innovation, and you get insight into that. For instance, I created kind of a framework for a formalized HR system in online social networks. How can you locate know-how? How can you locate advice in a social network, etc.? But it also extends to crowdsourcing, innovation ecosystems. You'll be exposed to a ton of work that you probably wouldn't be exposed to elsewhere. You will see everything from IRB applications, groundbreaking grant applications, and nonetheless, a lot of top-level projects. You will see collaborations with huge industry players such as the open source giants of Red Hat and Socrata. But you'll also be exposed to local constituencies, and you'll be working closely with, for instance, directors of development, business offices, and most likely IRB too. And to mention one example, I worked on the Purdue IronHacks, which is the first online hackathon. And what we would call is probably a hack because it differs so much. But in that, we did some novel quasi-experiments of what made hackers or developers better at actually developing their own products so they're more ready to market. And you too can carve your niche, and that will be the main reason for you to apply to this program or even contact our professor, Dr. Sabine Brunswicker. If I would describe the program in one sentence, it would probably be you're going to have a tough but very fun time, and you drive it as much as you want yourself. There are the facilities and the people around you to support that development in your PhD.